Welcome to our channel. Today we how to watch MLB games for free. MLB Webcast Streaming Guide step by step clearly. First, understand that free MLB streams often come from unofficial sources and can be illegal in your country. So check your local laws before doing anything. Use a safe device you control and avoid public computers because they can store your logins and browsing data. Update your browser and operating system to the latest version to reduce security risks from malicious ads. Install a reputable ad blocker to prevent pop-ups and fake download buttons from opening automatically. Turn on your browser's anti-phishing and safe browsing protection in the security settings. Never download player, apps, codec packs, or HD booster files, because legitimate streams should not require downloads. If a site asks you to install an extension to watch the game, close it immediately and do not proceed. Open a search engine and type MLB Webcast Streaming Guide or MLB Webcast MLB Streams to locate the current directory page. Choose results carefully and prefer pages that look like simple link directories rather than download portals. Before clicking any stream link, right-click and open it in a new tab to keep your main page stable. On the stream page, look for the Real Play button and ignore large flashing buttons that say Start Download or Allow. If you see a prompt to enable notifications, click Block, because streaming sites often abuse notifications. Close any tab that opens unexpectedly and return to the original Stream tab without entering any information. Select the game you want by matching the teams, date, and start time to the official MLB schedule. Pick a stream option labeled by quality like 720p or 1080p, but start with a lower quality if your internet is slow. Press play and wait a few seconds, because some embedded players take time to load. If the stream buffers, pause for 10 to 15 seconds, then resume to let it build a buffer. If the stream is broken, go back and try the next available link, because mirrors often rotate during games. For better performance, close other heavy apps and tabs that use bandwidth, like cloud backups or video calls. If audio is out of sync, refresh once, and if it stays, switch to another mirror link. Avoid creating accounts on stream sites, and never share email, phone number, or payment details. If you want legal-free options, check the MLB app and MLB TV for free game promos, free previews, or special event streams. Check local broadcasters that sometimes offer free trials through their official apps or websites. Use legitimate free trial periods only if you plan to cancel on time, and set a reminder before the billing date. For mobile viewing, use a browser with strong tracking protection and keep your screen lock and OS updated. If a stream keeps redirecting, clear your browser cache for that site and try a different mirror instead. After the game, close all stream tabs and run a quick security scan if anything suspicious happened. Save only official MLB schedule links and legal sources as bookmarks, not random stream pages. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss the next step-by-step streaming guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.